What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. Look at this table. Holy moly. We got everything on here. Today's big day. We are pulling the motor out of the bus. Tried to go on a camping trip yesterday and the bus wasn't having it. Just no power, making all kinds of noise. The little motor, it needs some attention. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. Maybe have to retorque a head or something. I know it's got exhaust leaks, so we're going to replace the whole exhaust with this super sweet EMPI ceramic coated header. We got all the little EMPI screws and nuts and bolts and the hanger and all that stuff on there. We got all new tins that we just cleaned up and painted. We've got the Berg, what do they call those? Industrial tins, the Berg industrial tins that go underneath because you can't use the sled tins with a header. So this is going to help direct that air. We've got super cool tins that go underneath the cylinders to direct that air out so it can really, keep it cool. Doghouse, oil cooler. We got Andrig's fan over here. We got a sump we can put on there. All new doghouse shroud with all the tins and everything. It's going to be crazy, and we're going to probably change the oil too and then do a valve adjustment. So big job. Probably going to be 5 or 6 jobs because that's a lot for one sitting. So I'll film it all and you guys can kind of watch it as we go. Pretty neat. So I'm going to try and pull that motor by myself in the driveway, which is super steep, and hopefully everything goes okay. I've got a borrowed engine stand so I can actually do the work standing and not have to be crawling on the floor. So fun. Let's go ahead and get started. Get that motor out of the bus. Right, pulling out the inside, or pulling out the top side nuts that hold this on. Yes, I do have the dreaded 4th bolt. I do like to have that. It's actually not that hard to get off. You just fold the rubber piece back just a little, and then do this without putting my arm in the shot. You can grab the nut from the top, fold that rubber back just a little, and then once it's kind of loose, get it off. I like to run that 4th bolt because it holds that motor in. It's just, they put it there for a reason. You should use it. A lot of people don't use it, but it's a good idea. There, see, that's not so hard. This one is the starter bolt, and this one has that weird end that latches against the starter, so it won't turn. You don't need another wrench. Having a hippie hatch also helps quite a bit. It's a regular bolt they put on there. Sneaky guys. Nope. And washers. Don't lose the washers. I lost the washer. It's okay, I'll get it. There, top side is out. Gonna use my little grabby fuel clamp to clamp off the fuel line before the fuel pump. This way when I disconnect it, I don't lose all my gas and I can just pull the motor straight up. So we will get on to that part right now. All right, we got it out. Man, a lot harder than I remembered pulling the motor out of a bus. It used to take me 11 minutes. This took a little bit closer to 30 minutes. But that's with setting up cameras and you know, the downhill aspect of the steep driveway. But we got it out. So I got my neighbor coming over to help me lift it up onto the stand here, and then we'll get into tearing this thing apart. And then over the next, I guess, few weeks, we'll get to putting this stuff on. Super duper fun! So as soon as he gets here, we'll get it up on here, and then we'll zoom through cleaning this whole thing off down to just a long block. We'll get it all stripped down and cleaned up, and then we'll start putting some of this stuff back on there. Boom! Long block. It's all torn down. It is oily in the spots that are supposed to be oily, I guess. Doesn't look too bad. That stuff is super gross. Like the stuff that was exposed that got oily and then got dirty, super nasty. Almost none of that is going to get reused. We got all the new stuff. So that'll be it for today. We'll cut this one off now, and then on the next one we will clean the block and start to assemble some of that stuff on there. I'm going to probably go through and redo the carbs and paint a couple more things. You know, one thing at a time, step by step. So go ahead and hit us at the link below. Get you a shirt, a sweatshirt. Winter time's coming up. Those things are super warm. My kid wears hers like every day. So get you a hoodie. Check out all our friends at all those places. You can see all those places on our website, which is oldvolkstv.com. Subscribe, like, you know, all that other junk. Leave us a comment, and thanks for watching.